Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Tryke bike sharing app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Tryke is a bike sharing app designed to provide users with convenient access to shared bicycles for short-distance travel and urban commuting. The app offers real-time bike availability, easy unlocking, flexible payment options, and ride tracking features. It aims to promote eco-friendly and affordable transportation while reducing traffic congestion and pollution in cities. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users find Tryke helpful for quick trips and appreciate its user-friendly interface and simple rental process. The app's GPS map and bike availability updates make it easy to find nearby bikes. It also supports cashless payments and detailed ride history. However, some users report occasional shortages of bikes during busy hours, limited service coverage in certain areas, and inconsistent bike maintenance. In summary, the Tryke app may be worth using if you want a practical and green solution for short urban trips and easy bike rentals. However, if you need wider service availability or more reliable bike conditions, you might want to explore other options. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.